If you need to change your flight date on Cebu Pacific, here's a simple step-by-step guide to help you through the process. First, visit the Cebu Pacific website or open the Cebu Pacific mobile app. Log in with your booking reference number and last name to access your booking details. Once logged in, navigate to the Manage Booking section. In the Manage Booking area, you'll see the option to change flight. Click on that option and you'll be directed to a page where you can view your current flight details. Select the flight you want to change. Next, choose the new date you would like to travel. Keep in mind that changing your flight may come with an additional cost depending on availability and the fare conditions. Cebu Pacific will issue you any additional charges for the new flight date. After selecting the new date and confirming the details, proceed to payment to cover any additional fees. If there are no fees, or if you have purchased a CEB Flexi or Flexi, which allows free changes, you won't need to pay any extra charges. Once the payment is completed, you'll receive a confirmation email with the updated flight details. You can also find the new flight information on the Manage Booking page. If you encounter any issues or need further assistance, Cebu Pacific's customer service team can help, and you can search them directly through the website or app. Changing your flight date is straightforward, but it's always best to do it as soon as possible to avoid higher fees or limited availability. If this guide helped you out, don't forget to like the video, subscribe for more travel tutorials, and hit the notification bell to stay updated.